Greetings from Squidfish Productions, and welcome to... To record content with your audio on Xbox is annoying, but thankfully, using the Squidfish method, it's slightly less annoying. The first thing you need to do is open up voice memos on a separate device next to you. Then, when you go to record on the Xbox, push the voice memo recording button at the exact same time as the Xbox screen recording button. As long as you time it right, you should now be recording your audio at the same time as the Xbox records your screen. And once you go on to editing the video, which please don't use iMovie when you do, just string the two clips together and make sure the audio syncs up correctly. Now, the only flaw with this recording method is Xbox clips can only be recorded for 10 minutes at a time, and once the 10 minutes end, you've got to figure out where the audio cuts off and where it begins again. However, this isn't too much of a problem in editing, as long as you take your time. This system isn't perfect, but worked well enough for me. However, if you are planning on doing this seriously, I suggest a capture card. More specifically, the AverMedia Live Gamer Portable 2 Plus. What a frickin' mouthful, holy frick. Not only is this thing super simple to use, but it even records your screen in 4K, which looks really good, as long as you're using a proper SD card. I'll go into a further tutorial on that in a future video. Nonetheless, there you go. That is how you record on your Xbox with audio. Now get out there and record something amazing.